Hello, everybody. Today we are going live from the Women Inspiring Network, and we have Rupali Bhosle joining us. She's a Marathi actress. As you all know about the Women Inspiring Network, it took shape during lockdown, and we are currently doing our sustainability series and mental health platform. Next week, we have a conversation with one of the leading engineering institutes, IIT, on sustainability with the sustainability changemaker Bandana Tiwari, as well as Roma and Lota Design. And I'm just going to look for where is Rupali. She is going to join us. Rupali. So I think Rupali is just going to be joining us. And a little bit about Rupali. She's been an Indian television actress for sub TV show Badi Dur Se Aaye Hum. And of course, now she's also been a contestant in the reality show Bigg Boss in Marathi. And she started her career with Marathi shows, which was Man Udhan Varchay, Don Kinare Dogi Apan, and Kanyadan. And we'd all love it if you can join us on Facebook to watch our live session next week on Thursday with IIT, which has Bandana Tiwari, Roma Narsinghi, who's participating in the Digital Fashion Week currently, as well as Adhiraj from Lota Design. And I can see some comments that that's her favorite actress. I can't see her still. Rupali. So with Rupali, we also have, just to give you a quick snapshot, our mental health series is doing extremely well. And just 2 days back, we did a women entrepreneurship session with Garima Bhandari, Mom Wears Prada, Kids Stop Press, and Kamini Arora from Yellow Stripe for Jai Hind College in Mumbai. And I'm just going to see where Rupali is. Rupali. Till the time she's joining us, but do follow us on the Women Inspiring Network. Yeah, we are just seeing Rupali. Ishita, can you see where Rupali is? So just till the time Rupali is joining us. No, I didn't pause the video. Someone has asked us. I was just checking on Rupali. But we've had a really, really great response. We've also got 100 videos on our Instagram platform, which is Positive Voices of Women during lockdown. We, of course, did a webinar which had 70 speakers on leadership, strategy post-COVID, where we had media personalities and we had influencers, actors, business entrepreneurs on our platform. Our current series, which is on mental health and sustainability, is doing very well, and we should all be on the lookout for Winning Minds, which is going to be coming in August, which is going to be with Amrita Chaudhary, our Win Ambassador. And with her, we'll have the leading authors of the country who are going to be sharing their thoughts on different genres of books. So that's something really exciting to look forward to. In June and July, we finished our, and we're still, of course, going on with our film series, Films and More, where we had partnered with Inox and Business World, and we had a huge response of 10 million people reach on our platform, talking about, filmmaking, acting, and different professions in the film industry. So it has been very, very great. And now we're just looking, where is Rupali? So she did do her shows, as I mentioned, Badi Dur Se Aaye Hum. And she was a contestant in the reality show Bigg Boss. And I'm just looking for Ishita Kuresha. Can you see Rupali from the team? Rupali. Be joining us because I was just sort of looking and I can see a lot of her fans, which is Ronak and Pooja and everybody waving out. And there are some people who are requesting to be on our video, but we'll have to wait for Rupali to join us. And once we finish, then we'll see if we have time and we can take you on the video. And so maybe you all can ask Rupali the questions which you'd like to ask. You can all put your questions now on the chat box. So we'll pin the comments and ask Rupali as soon as she joins. And then we also have a contest for Friendship Day coming up on our Instagram platform on Sunday. And I can see Rupali who has just joined us. And she's just joining us. So if you have a friend and you'd like to pass a comment on the Women Inspiring Network, you can get some gift on our platform, a giveaway. So please ensure that you participate in the Friendship Day contest. Hello, Rupali.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. I was just telling our viewers a bit about you before you joined, how you've been a contestant in the Big Boss and a bit
Yeah.
of the Women Inspiring platform that we've done since the lockdown. 100 plus, we have videos on our platform which has talked about positive voices of women. And we are an inspiring network and a platform for women. And it's a movement to pay it forward, and we've had a 10 million reach with our series Films and More on social media, and we've had actors from Bollywood and other regional films like Tamil filmmakers film series where we'd also partnered with Inox. And next week we're doing something
Okay.
really exciting with IIT on sustainability, but I'm not going to take so much of your time. We'll just wait for you to tell us a bit about your journey and acting into films. Tell us a bit about your journey. When did you decide that you wanted to be an actor? Please tell us a bit about that.
My journey so far has been really wonderful. It's really beautiful. Of course, we all have up and downs in our careers and in our life, but I never regretted anything. Whatever I did in my life, I am really happy. Whatever I did, whatever I've achieved so far, it's been a very wonderful journey, beautiful journey. And it is nothing like. There was a time that no, this is the time I've decided to something, come in this field or something like that. No, it was not like that. I wanted to something or the other in creative field, because when I was in the school, I never used to participate in, annual day ka jo function hota tha. I never used to participate in sports or something like that. I always
Yeah.
had dance karna hai. I want to wear nice clothes. I want to do makeup, and I just want to dance. So those kind of things were there always in the mind. But of course, you need a right क्या कहते हैं, right path or right guidance to go and to meet people and to explore your talent and to show your talent also. But that was not a sudden decision, definitely, because I used to work in a call center before coming into this industry.
Wow.
I used to work, my first job was in Birwani Industrial Estate, which is in Goregaon. I still remember I used to get 2.5 grants a month. And that was my starter. Firstly, I started from there as a receptionist. Then shifted my job, of course, for money purpose, because 2,500 में definitely घर नहीं चलता, but तब उतनी महंगाई भी नहीं थी. I'm talking about like
Yeah.
past, yeah, when I started, I was 15 years old when I started working. So then I shifted to call center because I used to get good amount of money, and it was good thing to, thoda ghar ka sambhalo and then save it also, like that. But I wanted to do something or the other in this field. That was always there in my mind. And I used to stay in Bhayandar that time, and हमारे सामने वाली building में there used to be a competition of one act plays and everything. So that time I just went and I just popped in. कि क्या चल रहा है? What is happening here? The speakers are there. Someone is, doing a monologue, and like dramatic sounds are coming. So I just went downstairs and I just saw. And from there, the thing is, yeah, I also wanted to do this, but there are a lot of responsibilities also.
Yeah.
Because initially I'm not going to get so much of money which will,
I know.
definitely settle all my problems and all. But then my parents said, कि नहीं, if you seriously think you can do this, you should not regret later कि यार मैं ये कर सकती थी, and because of all those responsibility I could not. But and yeah, I did give it a shot. I tried it, and definitely it's not that easy. But yeah, so far so
You've
touch
had a
wood
great
things.
success. But your story
It
is
is
so
good.
inspiring, from working in a call center to having a career in acting. In
Yeah,
fact, I did
yeah.
see some comments. Love you. I'm watching Badli Dur Se Aaye Hain, and the
बड़ी
episode
दूर से आए, yeah.
591 is so good. So tell me, what kind of cinema influenced you before you decided to become an actor? When you were
I
watching growing
am.
up?
See, I'm very old school, basically. Though we walk as per the trends goes on and comes in, but I'm very old school. I enjoy old cinema. I enjoy, I mean, like, प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है. I enjoy those music. I enjoy those era. And Sri Devi, I am huge fan of Sri Devi. So growing up watching her dance on Mere Haathon Mein Nau Nau Churiya Hai and Chandni, I don't remember how many times I've Chandni. I don't remember how many times I watched Lamhe. Whenever it is on TV, I keep just like this. I'm
Watching
like
it.
this, watching her, watching each and every expressions of her. I mean, I don't remember how many times I've watched Mr. India just to watch that Charlie Chaplin wala scene. In that one scene, she has given n numbers of expressions, and like this, there is you can't see. There is a transition of expressions also. You can't see कि इतने ease से उन्होंने किया, and that is like an institution when you watch such kind of a great artist working, and growing up watching her was like nahi, this is something, and of course I used to dance on मेरे हाथों में नौ नौ चूड़ियां. Yeah, that was the
And
cinemas, yeah,
so tell
seriously.
us, yeah, and tell us a bit about your experience with Big Boss and your learning from Big Boss. Any learning from Big
Big Boss.
Boss and your
Big
experience?
Boss was Big Boss experience is wonderful. It is a roller coaster ride. It is again a adventurous journey. You mean I mean lot of people were asking when this lockdown happened, how you guys survived in Big Boss house and how it was. So it is definitely difficult because this is something a milder version of Big Boss. The lockdown is a milder version of Big Boss. I will say this because we have our phones, we have our essentials, we have our parents around, we have our loved ones around, we have TV, everything around us. But there, we never had
Nothing.
anything, or like nothing. We were like just locked in a house, and that's it. There was a survival, of course, task and everything. The pressure was the task we used to play. And here you don't have to play tasks, but of course you are locked down because if you are not inside your house, you will die due to corona and all those things. So this is the milder version of Big Boss. But having said that, the journey was amazing, fantastic journey. I mean,
It
you know, it
teaches you to be resilient.
yes, and lot of patience. I think it improves your patience level. It improves your temperament, I think, and it gives you that strength that without your weaknesses, end of the day, though family stands very strong behind you or with you, but still somewhere down in your heart, they are your weaknesses. But in that house, your weakness is not there. It is like you have to fight for yourself, you have to fight for your survival. So that thing is something is which I think in our personal life also, which is important. So I think that is going to be there rest of my life, and I think this is the important lesson what Big Boss gave. And of course, a different kind of confidence, a different kind of what we say, एक नाम, Rupali Bhosle name, because a lot of people still recognize me because of my Badi Dur Se Aaye serial or my Marathi serial, or like that, the character name. Because personally, how you look is completely different than the serial look. But because of Big Boss, people started recognizing me as Rupali Bhosle. The name got a recognition. So I think that is one of the biggest achievement which happened post Big Boss. Yeah.
Exactly. And tell me, Rupali, what kept you positive during lockdown? Of course, I've gone through your Instagram grid, especially now, and I see you doing a lot of recipes. So, if you have something which you can show us or talk about your favorite recipe, but also tell us what kept you positive during lockdown.
Oh, initially, I mean, I have come from a locked house. So this was not difficult. Definitely, it was not difficult that I'm locked in my house, my own people, and my own people are around me. I have all my access to everything. So it was not really difficult. Positive, I think one person who's positive from within, that person does not have to look for positivity where and whatever situation he or she is. But one point of time, I thought, why give lectures and why just go live and give gyan to people, because it was happening too much. And why just spread awareness just because people listen to a celeb that please do not step out like that, those kind of videos and promotional things we were doing. And I thought, let's utilize this time to something else. And in Big Boss, people have seen me cooking, and I love cooking. So I thought of why not, and I belong from Konkan, so I getting all those recipes and my mom's recipes, my grandmother, then my great grandmother's recipe, my mom's dad recipe, which my mom is doing it since she was a child. She was like her age of her 10th. She's cooking those recipes. So I thought, why not get those recipes and show it to the people how we do things in a different way. And in
Yeah.
this lockdown, I thought of doing that, and that kept me really engaged. And when you get such good positive response from the audiences, and audience ask you to do something else which they want to see and not, and that kept me going. So every fourth day there is something very ab kya aage, what recipe we should do, what recipe we should do now next. So that is thing. And then uh, just I think a week, 10 days ago, I started shooting for a show on Star Prava for a show. I think that is going hand in hand. So yeah, this is what it is. But I think when you're positive from within, don't have to search for positivity outside. I don't think so. You just have to be positive, because everything has uh, अगर अगर क्वेश्चंस है तो उसके आंसर्स भी हैं, अगर रात है तो दिन भी है. So you just have to hang in there, you just have to wait for the sun to rise. That's it. And positivity, you should be positive from within. You don't have to and
Yeah.
search positivity.
So,
No, I
what
don't
is
think
your
so.
favorite recipe? Tell us a bit about that. What have you enjoyed cooking the most?
I have cooked a lot of things. I have cooked, I mean, right from in Big Boss, I used to cook Big Boss ka, I used to cook khichdi basically, with lots of vegetables and lots of, tea and everything, khada masala and all. But a lot of people doesn't know that uh, it is not a moong dal khichdi. It is masoor dal khichdi. So, my all 15 contestants used to love that khichdi. So I made the first recipe which I made was samosa. And then I said, ki, why not let's just cook Big Boss khichdi. I gave a name Big Boss and posted on my YouTube channel. So that is one thing. Then lately I had made chicken masala, then aloo vadi, which of course I really love aloo vadi. Then chakli, then karanji. Karanji was something me and my mom made that recipe. So it was really amazing. Ankit cooked paneer makhan wala. So those all
Yeah.
recipes are there. I think in future, my dad is into a lot of dry fish ka recipes, but now it is Shravan and गणपति होते हैं घर पे तो अब तो फिश एंड नॉनवेज नहीं होगा लेकिन जब जैसे ही श्रावण खत्म हो जाएगा I'll ask my dad to cook one recipe for my channel and for my viewers. And then my brother also cooks very well. So those things are up. But yeah, um, for you, I will definitely tell you one dessert which I really enjoy and it is quick to make. Mm, it, Mawa, jo mawa it is condensed milk. If you roast it, it becomes a मावा का बर्फी. So मावा होता है कच्चा मावा unsweetened वाला वो ले लेना उसमें उसको थोड़ा सा घी में थोड़ा सा रोस्ट करेंगे उसके अंदर ड्राई फ्रूट्स डालो आपके जो भी पसंद वाले ड्राई फ्रूट्स होते हैं वो डाल दो शुगर डाल दो और उसको अच्छे से रोस्ट करो टिल द टाइम द घी इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम दैट मावा and then keep it aside, let it cool down, and then take bread, normal bread, brown bread, white bread, whatever bread, soak it in water and just press it, remove the excess water from it, and stuff it inside. That mawa wala stuffing, stuff it inside and just close it like momos or a modak, and then toss it on butter. एक पैन में
Wow.
बटर लेके उसको टॉस टॉस कर लो till the time it gets a golden brown. Toss it, and in another pan, make a caramel, sugar caramel करो उसका और sugar caramel में उसको coat करो and freeze it for 2 to 3 hours. And when you remove it, you will get a outer layer of caramel, sugar caramelized. Inside, you will get a bread one, which is tossed in butter. Inside, you will get a nice mawa ka flavor. So it is. This is what quick dessert you can try.
You can get.
So
I can
surely
see people
I'm
saying,
gonna try.
yummy, yummy, yummy. And there's a question which Hemant has asked. Please give a tribute to Sushant sir. So did you know him or do you want to talk about it?
Oh, I don't know Sushant, but of course, from television to being a superstar of Bollywood, definitely everybody is talking about Sushant. Yesterday we were watching Dil Bechara. That day I packed up late, so I was just to Dil Bechara song, and I think whatever has happened is really sad and really hard. And
Yeah.
watching his video yesterday, I was watching news. I was watching Ankita Lokhande's interview, and whatever investigations and whatever things happening. Me being a audience or me being a normal public, even I am not happy with the way the investigation is happening. Even I feel sitting at home, seeing whatever things are happening around, right from the day he has passed away. I think whatever that the way we handled Kasab's case, the way we handled Nirbhaya's case, the way we have given justice to this way, I think Sushant also should get, definitely should get justice, and whosoever the culprit is should be behind bars, because it is so easy to kill someone and to escape. It is so easy. If we don't get justice for Sushant, it will become so easy. I mean, we talk about trollers, we talk about harassments, we talk about everything on social media platform. And if such things happens, whom to trust? I mean, not even police, not even the government, not even anybody. We should not trust anybody. It seems like that.
Yeah.
So I think I really appreciate what Ankita Lokhande said. I really respect whatever she said, and whatever family is doing, lodging a FIR against whosoever the victim, whosoever the culprit is. I think I really respect that and stand by Ankita's statement, and I support Sushant and Ankita for this, Sushant's family and Ankita for this, because he should get justice. And I think, seeing his journey, or watch movies, even me being a complete a neutral person, me audience, me being might be his fan, feel sitting at home that he cannot commit suicide. That is one thing.
Yeah.
I really feel cannot, because no, because I would really like to share this thing with you. Post Big Boss, post Badi Dur Se Aaye, I was doing lead in Badi Dur Se Aaye. I was a face of Sub TV, and 365 days I was on Sub TV ka channel, and before Big Boss happened, 5 years I was at home. 5 years. I mean, there was coming home. I was 5 years at home. Handling a lot of responsibility, but sitting 5 years at home.
Yeah. Yeah. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. I can't hear you. Can you all hear her? Till the time Rupali is joining us back again, please do log on to Women Inspiring Network on Facebook as well as Instagram. Instagram, we have a mental health series coming up, and if you have something and you want to share your story, please and we also have like a sustainability series come. I think she'll join us again. Can you all hear me? So I think Rupali is just going to join us. And can you all hear me? Can the audience currently hear me? Okay, thanks, Tejaswini. And so we do have, our film series have done very well. We've had Shamita and others participating. We had a censor board member joining us on the video. And I'm just seeing where's Rupali. Yes, she's just going to be joining. But do follow our platform. Do look out for our Winning Mind series, which will be with authors. In fact, we'll have an interview with Nayantara, who's written the screenplay for, I was just telling our viewers till you joined us back that we have Winning Minds as a series coming which is leading authors of the country. So someone who's written the
Oh,
screenplay of the movie Shakuntala Devi will be joining us in a couple of weeks on
wow,
our platform. I
wow,
don't know if you've heard
wow,
of the
wow.
movie Shakuntala Devi. Yes.
Yes, yes,
And we did
yes, yes,
have,
yes.
yes. And recently we had Anupriya Goenka, Shamita Shetty, who had joined us in the Women Inspiring Network. The censor board, Vani Tripathi, who's heading on the board of censor board, she joined us. And I've been seeing Zia's question for quite some time. When will Badshah shooting start and how was your experience in that? We can't hear you. No, we can't hear you. Yeah. Can you hear me? But you can't hear me. Oh, speak something. Speak something. Can the viewers hear my voice? So we'll tell you a bit about the Winning Minds, where we'll have the leading authors of the country. Our mental health series have done very well. The film series had different film personalities from Bollywood to filmmakers. We had even actress Revati who had joined us, Reema Das, who's a filmmaker from Assam, and we had Meghna Ghai from Whistling Woods, and of course Vani Tripathi, who is a board member. So that series, in collaboration with Inox and Business World, did extremely well. And Zia is asking, what is the BD Sa? Her favorite moment. I can see all of you are great fans of Rupali, and I think she's soon going to be joining us. I'm just trying to find Rupali again. But can you all hear me clearly? We'll definitely pass on your message to Rupali. And on this Friendship Day, we will have a contest on our page. You know, you can put a comment with your best friend, who's been your best friend, and uh, you know, and there's a chance for you to get a giveaway. So that will be really nice. I can see people leaving us, and I'm just trying to see where's Rupali. Rupali is just joining us. And we will ask Zia's question. Rupali is just joining us. I know I can see all of you. Yes, Rupali, we can hear you now.
Hi. Good, good, good. So I was saying, whatever is happening regarding Sushant should get justice soon. It will take time, but I definitely feel he will get the justice soon from the
And
respected
people want to know
government,
about your
whosoever.
experience in BD Shah set. Your experience in the Badshah
Oh,
set.
बड़ी दूर से आए, बड़ी दूर से, lovely experience. It was lovely experience. Yeah, it
And
was
when will you
very
start shooting
amazing
for it again?
experience. I enjoyed. It is difficult for me to say it because
And
I don't know what the channel and producers are thinking about it. But as soon as we get a green signal, I'll be the first person to disclose this news to all the viewers and to the Baddur se aaye. Yeah.
and what is your current projects? Which are your projects which are coming up now? Would you like to shed any light on those? Any upcoming
Um,
projects?
Yes, right now I'm shooting for Star Prabha serial, Marathi serial Ai Kuthe Kai Karte, which comes on Star Prabha Monday to Saturday 7:30 p.m. And in that I'm playing a parallel negative, you can say a negative lead, and I'm enjoying doing that because playing a negative, it's not a negative. It's not like uh, sort of like अरे हाँ मैं अब इसका खून कर दूंगी kind of. No, it is not that. But it is a pinch of shade it has to the character. But I really enjoy doing it because you get lot of variations to play, and you get lot of things to do. There is no limitations when you're doing such kind of roles, and I enjoy doing that because जो जितना भी है दिखाना है और जितना भी आपके पास चीजें हैं, you try to do and try to portray that kind of thing. So I'm really enjoying it. So I think when everybody is thinking about कि आगे क्या, how things are going to work, how I'm going to start my daily life again, how I'm going to fix all things financially and on work platform. I'm lucky, Ganpati Bappa Moria, that I'm working on a project. I'm doing a daily soap, and already on air. It's already a hill. So I'm really happy that I'm doing serial. And yeah,
And
that's one serial. He was doing
and,
a
and who has
yeah.
been your role model and who has inspired you the most in your life? The women role model. Hello. Hello. So till the time Rupali is joining us, but do feel okay. Rupali, can you hear me? We can't hear you. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. Can you all hear Rupali? Can you all hear? We can't hear you. Can you all hear Rupali? Yes, we will ask her about her favorite moments. And I can see she has a great following. And thank you all for being on our platform. And if in any way you have a talent and you'd like to contribute on our platform at the Women Inspiring Network, do us. Uh, and then we can do something about it. And I'm just seeing if Rupali is back. Rupali, Rupali. I think she'll just come back. Yes, Rupali is joining us back. So what is everybody's plans for Raksha Bandhan now on Raksha Bandhan being on Monday? I think Zia will have for another couple of questions and then we'll wrap it up. Rupali, tell us
Too much
who's
of
been your tell us a bit
too much
about
of
your
network.
yeah technology. But tell us a bit about your
Yeah,
role
man.
model.
I'll start from my house because my father, my mother, my brother, whosoever I relate, I am staying with, and I on daily basis, the person whom I meet, I think they become my role model because they keep on inspiring me, telling me what you should do, what you should not do, what how you should be happy in small little things, and how you should live your life the way it is. Uh, I'll 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 call my mom as a role model. I call my father as my role model. I'll call my role model. I call my boyfriend as my role model. So I think there's no one person whom I can just say कि नहीं ये मेरा role model or ये मेरा inspiration है. No, I learn from each and every. I've learned how what work you're doing and what not things you have achieved in your life so far, but still see the positive smile on your face. I can see that positivity on your face. So that also in this lockdown period, still you are meeting and greeting people virtually. So that is also inspiring. So I can take your name also. Take one's name that
Well,
he's my role
thank you
model.
so
So
much,
everybody
for
keeps
this.
on teaching me.
But I'm saying thank you so much for that compliment. But you inspired me with your story of starting with a call center at the age of 15. That is really, really commendable. Do tell us about your favorite
Thank you.
film dialogue or something you'd like to sing for our viewers from your favorite movie, or because I heard you sing earlier and I just thought about it, or a favorite dialogue from a movie.
Favorite dialogue, I think favorite dialogue from Rajesh Khanna ji's film Anand. I think that I think is really nice. That जिंदगी लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए or something like that. That dialogue आनंद सिनेमा का that one dialogue, and of course Pramod guessed it right. There is one song which I keep on singing and keep on dedicating to all the trollers, all the people who are with negative thoughts and who have lot of vela time sitting at home and doing nothing but just keep on trolling all the actresses, actors, and all the good people like you and me. So उनके लिए एक song हमेशा बजाती हूँ मैं, and I would really again बजाओ it on your channel also. So anybody around here who can play this song for me, please? Come on, let's play that song. Give me 1 minute. वाजवेल का गाना.
Your fans want to
संकेत
talk to you.
गाना. या हाय. जिंदगी लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए. एग्जैक्टली प्रमोद. जिंदगी लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए. So गाना हम नहीं सुधरेंगे वाला. So that is one thing. आनंद सिनेमा का ये डायलॉग, एंड आई रियली लव दैट डायलॉग. जिंदगी लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए. एंड दिल बेचारा का एक डायलॉग. हम कैसे हम पैदा कब होंगे, हम मरेंगे कब पता नहीं है, लेकिन हम जिएंगे कैसे ये तो हमें पता है, तो उस तरह से हम जीते हैं. सो दैट वन दिल बेचारा का डायलॉग इज hanging in my mind because yesterday only watched it and won that song. I'll just play for you. So hi everybody. Hi, and before we just play that song, hi everyone. Hi.
Marathi bolo. I was in Bombay, by the way.
Marathi. Is it?
I lived in
Okay,
Bombay.
so the song is yours.
Okay.
I don't know. Can you hear the song?
Yes. We can hear.
हम नहीं मानेंगे, करते ही जाएंगे, मानेंगे. कह दो ये जमाना वालों से, नहीं छीन हमसे आजादियां, जो कहना है जिस जैसे ही रहना है, वो एक जिंदगी है, खाता नहीं है, थोड़ा तो बिगड़ेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, थोड़ा और बिगड़ेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे. So this is the song I really
Very
enjoy.
nice.
Uh,
Yes, yes.
I really enjoy this song.
I know. And just so I'm going to ask you two last question, which
Yeah.
is tell us, does anybody tell us a bit about your first audition, and do you need to have some acting school? Do you need to go to an acting school or workshop before you become an actor?
No, I never went to any acting school or any acting workshop. But yes, I have done lot of homework around it, because I studied in a convent school, Saint Xavier School. So you know, my Marathi or my mother tongue was not that clear and not that fluent, because I used to talk either in English, either in Hindi. So my Marathi was not that fluent. But yes, I did lot of grooming sessions over there. I have done lot of voice modulation sessions. I have done lot of grooming around me, and the way I will stand on stage, the way I should face the camera, the way I should take lights, the way I should reach my voice to the last person sitting in the last row. So all those have developed in definitely, yes. And audition, you know, that time I came very late in serials. I used to do plays, Marathi plays, theater. So the producers, directors used to come to see my play, and they, you know, I used to got my first break in the serial, then films and all those things. So I never had to actually go and do a audition or something like that. But yes, uh, now the things have again changed. Now they need auditions from you. Now they
Yeah.
need a screen test and everything. So yes, now I do it. I now I my mom, dad, they keep on handling my camera and light and everything, setups they do at home, and then we audition from many a times. Yeah. And many a times I go and I say I can't do it from home,
To do
I'll come
that.
there and we'll shoot the audition. So yes, that's,
Yeah.
yeah, that's
And
happening.
before we log off, we should see some of the comments of your fans. You know, Riddhi wants you to talk to her, so I put a comment, but we can scroll. There's Manali who's doing a thumbs up. Radhika says, "You're looking very nice." Malak Hoop
Thank
Avte,
you.
love you.
आवडतेस.
And
Thank you. Love you too.
we love your voice. And
Thank
Radhika
you.
again says, we love you. Any questions, please ask Rupali before we just have time for two questions more. Kaise ahes tu Rupali? Radhika is saying. All
मी
Marathi.
बरी
I used
आहे,
to
मी
live in
बरी
Bombay.
आहे, मी बरी आहे. Yeah,
So
oh
I'm,
yeah.
I'm yeah, and I'm missing the Marathi because I even studied in Pune. So, ma'am fans, sobat bola. So,
Hi guys, hi guys.
yeah,
Hi everyone. Hi Mehak. Everyone, hi सगळ्यांना, सगळ्यांची नावं. रिद्धी, हाय, थँक्यू रिद्धी. सगळ्यांची नावं घेता येणार नाही, बट सगळ्यांना खूप प्रेम आणि सगळ्यांना लॉज ऑफ लव्ह, आणि सगळ्यांना हाय, हॅलो, नमस्कार सगळ्यांना.
and
मराठीमध्ये एवढ्यासाठी बोलू शकले नाही, कारण हा वुमेन इन्स्पायरिंग नेटवर्कचा जो प्लॅटफॉर्म आहे, हा सगळ्या माध्यमातल्या लोकांसाठीचा प्लॅटफॉर्म. आणि तिथे नुसतेच महाराष्ट्र नाहीये, तर आपले ग्लोबली पण फॅन्स आहेत त्यांच्या पेजचे, तर त्यांच्यापर्यंत आपला आवाज पोहोचायला पाहिजे, आपण काय म्हणतोय ते पोहोचायला पाहिजे, म्हणून मराठी तर नाही बोलत आहे. बाकी हिंदी, इंग्लिश आणि मराठी या तिन्ही लँग्वेज आपण सर्रास युज करतो. सो
no, so,
तेवढ्यासाठी, आणि तिलाही तेवढं मराठी कळलं पाहिजे.
yeah.
सो Don't
That
get
is my
about
one
it.
regret.
But
I should have learned Marathi. But do
जी,
tell us
so
any failure you'd like to tell us, like any sort of obstacles you faced or any failure which you faced in your life.
there are a lot of, as I said in the beginning, journey was never smooth like makhan. It was never like that. I it was always a roller coaster ride for me. It was always a struggle on every given situation. It was always a struggle for earning bread butter. It was always a struggle. It was never a smooth journey, but I enjoyed it. I really loved whatever journey I have been through. 90 years की हो जाऊंगी कुछ जिंदगी थी. This struggle I have been through and I've achieved this. What is the fun if you have a smooth life? What fun? No, I enjoyed it. I have no regrets about my journey so far. I have no regrets about whatever. God has given me a beautiful life. There is a hashtag on a social platform of mine is hashtag life is beautiful, and I really mean that. So I live my life the way I wanted, my rule, my terms, my conditions, and I live it to the. I enjoy each and every moment of my life, small, little, good, bad, every and failures. I don't talk about failures because I don't think that is gonna drop my energy down or drop my positivity down. No, failure me to taught me to be calm and be focused more on you. Failure taught me to groom myself. Failure taught me to take more care of my health and my well-being. So I never take failure as some ये तो बहुत अच्छा चल failure आ गया एक break आ गया. No, I never did that. That's what I was about to tell you. When I was doing Badi Doosri, I was at home for 5 years, but I never took that 5 years so hard self. Depression. People talk about that, but I never took it negatively or so in a depressed manner. I utilized those 5 years in such a way. I worked out. I groomed myself. I started taking more care about my health, well, and my body. So after 10 years also, if you meet me, you should say कि
You
रूपाली तू
will
10
know.
साल पहले जैसी दिखती थी वैसे ही दिख रही है.
In fact, I
You
can
have
see
not
Netra
lose your
sending us a message. Netra has written, Rupali, Taitu, please आपला diet any tips share करत जा आमला खूप helpful. My Marathi is not good at all, but I can read some. So, would you like to comment on Netra's
yeah.
question?
Yes, Netra, definitely. I've been posting my diet things on my story, Instagram story. But surely we will do a session about the diet. Don't worry, I'll do it soon.
And so now we've come to an end of our session. Rupali, please give our viewers an inspiring, a winning message in Marathi. In Marathi, give us a winning and an inspiring message for all our viewers, especially your fans and at the Women Inspiring Network. Any inspiring message in Marathi, give us winning, inspiring message. We can't hear. I think till the time Rupali comes back, but we would really urge all of you to join us at the Women Inspiring Network. It's about creating, sharing, it's an inspirational storytelling platform, and it's a movement. Everyone has a talent to share. Do feel free to reach out to us. But thank you so much. Rupali is just coming till we tell her bye. And do log on to our platform. Please ask her favorite co-star.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes. So a winning message which is in Marathi to inspire our viewers.
Just yourself. Life is really beautiful, and keep going. Do not take things so negative. Whatever happens for good. If there is a question, there is an answer. If there is night, there is morning. If there is there is dark, there is bright outside. So just थांबा तिकडे, घाई करू नका कुठल्याच गोष्टींची. सगळ्या गोष्टी आपल्याला आपल्या योग्य वेळेत आणि योग्य जागी आपल्याला मिळणार आणि मिळतात. आपलं नशीब कोणी घेऊन जात नाही हे नक्की आहे. आपल्या नशिबात जे लिहिलेलं आहे ते घडतं आणि ते घडतंच. सो उगाच डिप्रेस होऊ नका, नेगेटिव्ह होऊ नका. जितकं राहाल तितकंच तुम्ही तुमचं फ्युचर आणि तुमच्या गोष्टी पॉझिटिव्हिटीने भरू शकाल. कीप स्माइलिंग, लिव्ह युअर लाईफ फुलेस्ट. आणि जस्ट रिमेंबर, तो वरती एक बसलेला असतो देव जो आपला आहे, तो ती पॉझिटिव्ह एनर्जी कायम तुमच्या अवतीभोवती असते. सो ती कुठेही कोणीही घेऊन जाऊ शकत नाही. फक्त आपल्या मनात पॉझिटिव्हिटी असली पाहिजे आणि आपले जे डोळे आहेत ते स्वच्छ असले पाहिजे. आपल्या डोळ्यांनी आपण छान सुंदर बघता आलं पाहिजे, सुंदर बोलता आलं पाहिजे. सो तेवढं केलं सुद्धा आपली लाईफ सुंदर होऊ शकते. सो जस्ट हँग इन. हा जो काळ आहे लॉकडाऊनचा, हा कोरोनाचा जो काळ आहे, तो लवकर जाणार आहे. तो काही कायमचा राहणार नाहीये. पण त्याच्या पुढे येणारं जे आयुष्य थोडंसं डिफिकल्ट असणार आहे फायनान्शियल वाईज किंवा कामाच्या दृष्टीने. सो त्यासाठी आत्ताच जे आपण घरी असू तर आत्ताच तयारी करा. इथनं स्ट्रॉंग, इथनं वीक होऊ नका, इथनं स्ट्रॉंग व्हा आणि पॉझिटिव्ह राहा.
Yes,
Let's fight it.
It's all in the mind. We have to be strong mentally, and that is something which I totally believe in. And of course, the whole thought is to dream big. I mean, I've actually gone for a program in the United States, which was a Fortune program, where they connected us to Ariana Huffington, Indra Nooyi, Sheryl Sandberg, the emerging leaders, and it really taught us how to scale up. You know, it's inspiration. So the Women Inspiring Network in the last 4 months has kept my team and me so busy and inspired, getting positive stories. Like hearing today your story about how you started off at 15 has inspired me. And so it has been a great journey. We've done 500 plus live sessions and videos on our platform. So it's been great in the last 4 months of work. And thank you so much, Rupali, for joining us today and sparing your time. And please feel free to reach out to our platform at the Women Inspiring Network on Instagram and Facebook. And do watch out for our next series, which is coming. Thank you so much, Rupali.
Thank you so much. And before I sign off, happy Friendship Day in advance to you and to all the beautiful women out there, all the inspiring ladies, dames, everybody, whosoever is joined and attached with you. Happy Friendship Day to you. And whenever you need me, if you feel that I'm worth a help, so please, I am a call away. Definitely get connected to me. I will be really happy to help you out and just to come and join you guys. So whenever you need me, I'm just a call away. So happy Friendship Day and thank you for having me. And happy Friendship Day to all our listeners who have joined this live session. Happy Friendship Day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.